Hi guys, rachybop here. Welcome to today's video in which I'm going to be showing you the Touch K10 tablet. This was very kindly sent to me and I'm really curious about it. It's the first Android tablet I've ever had, and as you guys know, I am the proud owner of an iPad Pro, so I'm certainly not going to be comparing this to that. This is in no way comparable to the iPad in my opinion, but it certainly still does have its place. So while this isn't a sponsored video, thank you so much to Touch for sending me this tablet to try out and talk to you guys about. So in the box you just get the tablet and a power cable plus some instructions. This is a very good entry-level tablet. It retails at about the £100 mark at the time of making this video, £100, $100, and you can find all the specs on their website and Amazon listing. I'll put the links to those in the description. But to me this lies somewhere between a basic hub for viewing videos and using the internet and apps and things, almost like an Echo Show, the Amazon Echo Show, where you can just have a screen in your room. For me, that's what it's going to replace / upgrade. I currently have an Amazon Alexa, which is doing great in our living room for turning lights on and such like, and we have a Google Home Hub in the kitchen, which is really great for recipes and setting timers, that kind of thing. But I will be replacing the Google Hub with this in the kitchen so that I can have it as a screen in there to show me the weather and the temperature at a glance, but also to watch recipe videos, to watch YouTube while I'm cooking or washing up, just things like that. I will say, I'll put it on now to show you. You just turn it on here at the top. The video is fine on it, but the sound isn't great. It's, like I say, it's not a replacement for any high-end, super performing iPad or other comparable tablet. But this is great entry level. Plus it does play apps. I do have Sims Mobile on this. As you can see, it takes quite a while to turn on. And I really love that there's an entry level thing for doing these things, for playing apps, for using the internet on the go with a bigger screen. You don't have to fork out for an expensive machine to be able to do these things. So this is how it looks when it's on, and then this is what we're greeted with. So this is the Android interface. You can use our apps, change our settings, plus you can just talk to it. Hi, how are you?
I've been busy staying up to date on the latest election news. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
Okay. So I think you can hear a bit of the sound there, but it's quite tinny in terms of the sound. As entry level goes, it's quite decent. So you can use the search bar here for anything that you like. It's your usual Google interface. You can have maps, all that kind of stuff, and also the Google Play Store. I did have to immediately get an update for my apps, like to be able to play Sims Mobile. At first it said you can't play that, and then it said update your player, so I did that, and then I could actually play Sims Mobile. So you can see here we've got Sims Mobile, and there we go. That's the Sims Mobile. If you are coming from a different tablet or a more up-to-date phone, this is going to seem very slow and clunky, which is why I stress that this is entry level. Let's have a quick listen to a YouTube video just so we can get an idea of that sound once more. Okay, here we have Tim and Finn. I love Tim and Finn, big fans of theirs.
Clarins double serum, 2 power-packed serums in 1.
Let's just watch an ad.
With 21 plant extracts, including turmeric, skin.
That's how it sounds, that's how it looks. If we make it, we'll skip the ad and go full screen. So actually the clarity of the video is not too bad at all. I think that's pretty decent. Yeah, it looks really good. It's just the sound is tinny. Certainly takes a little bit getting used to the Android interface as well if you are coming over from iOS. Also, if you do want to make it like a home hub, you can get a case for this exact model, and it has a stand on it, so you can have it standing in your kitchen or wherever you want it and just have it as a screen that you can then ask to play videos, or you can just play videos on, and it does support a lot of the current apps, which is great. If you are giving this to your children to use, it also does have parental controls and digital well-being for yourself or for them, which is super useful. And oh my goodness, it's 11:11, make a wish. You can just have it displaying the clock if you want to. You can tap the world clock item and just type a clock. You can set your alarm on here, a timer, a stopwatch. Best of all, you've got the screensaver option, and this will take you on to have this as your screensaver. So there it is, super customizable, runs everything in a basic capacity, is a great upgrade from a Google Home, great for light use in times of need. As an entry-level tablet, I think this is amazing. Gaming, watching movies, watching videos, something to have in a room as an extra outlet. The sound does let it down somewhat, and it is quite clunky, but apart from that, I think it serves a great purpose. Please do let me know if you have any questions about this notepad down in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer those for you. If you want me to test a certain app, I can do that. For now, I'm going to go order a case for this, get this set up in the kitchen. Oh, and just a little note on how heavy it is. I will say it's not incredibly light, but it's also not, it's exactly as heavy as you would think it is. It's not like a super light thing, but it's certainly fine to hold or have propped up somewhere. And it also has a ton of ports, so just make sure you check out that spec. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!